Do I need that? Do I need my other camera? I don't know how to pack for this anymore. Sure. No, I'm just kidding. There'll be food. This is like first day of school vibes. Like, I don't really know what I should pack, what I should wear, where am I going, what if I can't find my way, what if I can't find a parking spot. Okay, I hope I have everything. It's my first time going to Cats since March 2020. Let's go see Cat. Oh my gosh. Started like, wait, are you trying to balance it?
Yes.
Oh, okay, wait. Wait, no, you're not putting the center of my head. I don't know. Oh! Our videos are going downhill, huh? Ready?
Oh, wait, yeah. Waiting for Devin. It's a Devin! Can you hear me?
Oh?
Can you hear?
Yeah.
Look at that, we did it. We figured something out. I'm recording my screen already. This is gonna be a fun video for you to edit.
Oh my god, it's gonna be a mess.
I love baking with you. It's so fun.
Is this not so much fun? It
This
is
is-
fun.
Yeah, it's not stressful.
Okay, I'm ready to go.
Okay, this is so weird.
Right? To look at the camera and not each other.
Can I look at you here and pretend that
Which
you're...
which way are you gonna put it? Which should I, like the normal way? Should I be looking at you like this?
Yeah, I'll do the normal way.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna pretend that you're right here. Okay, let's see how this goes.
So Devin,
No.
we're gonna talk about the summer of quarantine. Food festivals or just kind of like hanging out with people like in backyards or whatever. Like doesn't even have to be like intense. Like I just miss hanging out with people.
I know too. I miss hanging out with you too.
I'm recording this already too.
Okay.
Oh crap, hold on. What the heck happened?
What's going on?
There we go. Okay, I think you got it now. Okay, hi.
Is it okay?
Yeah, we're all good now, I think.
Okay.
Oh wait, hold on. Okay, we're all good now.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we're good. Should we do an intro quickly?
Yeah.
What a fun baking day.
So fun. So many cookies. Now, get some more light. Here we go.
Oh, let's go.
It's the backyard.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
Where is it? Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, I think I made it. That's not her house. Her house is down the street. I just parallel parked for the first time in like a year and a half, so I hope no one's judging me. I did my best. I didn't hit anything. But yeah, it's pouring rain, so now I'm just gonna run over to Cats and be reunited. I feel like you should get in the kitchen.
Oh my god, and
This is
then,
what I've been missing. Well, you too, but like the kitchen.
oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Somebody else is filming me?
Oh my god, you don't
Oh my
have to
God.
hold the camera yourself
Oh
or anything. There's no computer screen between us.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay, we're back.
Yeah.
Oh, should I be super loud still?
We're back! Just a year and a half in the making.
Seriously.
So long.
Okay, so yeah, this is our first video back together. It's not the first time we're seeing each other in person,
No.
but it is the first time that I've been back in Catherine's apartment since March 2020.
Yeah, and it's the first time we've been in a building maskless together, like just hanging out. Normally, like, our hangouts have been like socially distanced or like in a parking lot.
In a not like in a sketchy way. So yeah, we thought we'd just kind of do like a little reunion vlog where maybe we'll make some food because you know we just need to shoot a little bit of food content.
Yes.
It's just like the bare minimum food content just to ease back into it.
Yes.
And then we'll just eat our breakfast together and catch up with you guys, catch up with each other.
Yeah.
Okay, so are you hungry?
I'm very hungry.
Okay, good. Let's guess what, you can cook for me. So,
Yeah.
well,
That was
nice.
like, I no longer have to cook anymore.
I give it up.
And I no longer have to film anymore.
There you go. So. Oh, you're back.
Devin's deleting. Oh, Devin, I missed you. Do you want your tomato salted and peppered?
Oh my gosh, yeah, give me the full service.
Okay.
I mean, please.
I hope you don't mind that I got whole wheat.
I do kind of mind, but...
I like putting the lettuce on the bottom because everything else holds the lettuce down.
Agreed. Yeah, that's just science.
Science, yes. Thank you.
Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Oh, yeah.
Did it look pretty?
Yeah. Breakfast. This is different. The first thing we're doing is eating.
Oh my god, and it's kind of warm.
Cheers.
Oh my god. Wow. So good.
Mm-hmm.
I love matcha. Oh,
Okay.
So beautiful.
I haven't tried this sausage before.
Yeah,
This is a taste test now.
what's it called again?
Tomorrow. TMRW.
Yeah, just tomorrow. TMRW.
Oh,
Tomorrow
wow.
Foods. I have tried it before. I really like it.
Oh my god.
It's so good.
Seriously.
Holy. The patty's
moly.
really good, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's so much flavor comes through,
Mhm.
even when you have all this other stuff on the sandwich.
I feel like I didn't even acknowledge the egg because the sausage was like, bam!
Mm-hmm.
I like tomorrow with no vowels.
All right, Devin.
Mm-hmm.
What's this video just literally just us eating? Imagine the whole
Is that what
video.
you've been waiting a year and a half for?
Yeah.
What should we talk about?
TMG?
Yeah. So
We need to talk.
We need to talk.
That's
This
the
is
title of
serious.
the
Enough
video.
of this like eating and this is fun. No.
Our first clickbaity video. We
it-
need to talk.
This is serious.
But like, is it clickbaity? Because we actually do need to talk.
Because like we're coming up on 5 years together.
In as a couple.
All of us.
TMG, yes. TMG's 5 years is in September.
Yeah. So we were thinking, like,
Now
maybe
don't get worried.
it's fine. We're just gonna stop posting videos. No, just kidding. We had a good run. You know, the whole Zoom thing was super fun.
But it broke us.
It's enough. But okay, no, but seriously, we're gonna change up the content a little
Yeah.
bit.
Yeah.
And we're actually really excited about it.
Yeah, and I think it was kind of, this last year and a half kind of sparked it, just because of we've had to change the way we film, change type of content we film, all that kind of stuff. But it kind of, I think, it changed what we liked about the channel. Obviously, over the last year and a half, things have been very different.
Mm-hmm.
And I think we're probably, like, I don't think as many people who have duo YouTube channels have stayed apart as long as we have. But I think it was for the best still.
Mhm.
And I think actually a lot of good came out of it.
I think I can cook better now.
Yeah, Devin can cook really well.
Wow.
Her
But I'm quitting cooking now.
Devin is done with it. It was a
That's-
year and a half long contract. That's it.
It's not what. Yeah, it's not gonna be like a whole like Freaky Friday. I'm gonna cook. Kat's gonna film now thing. No.
Yes. But instead, we have found ourselves in the last like year and a half really liking just like, I don't want to say the fun ones because they're all kind of fun, but like the whatever Wednesday, the less formulaic, just where we get to just hang out with each other.
Yeah, and it kind of seems like you guys lean more towards that content too. Like we know recipes will always be helpful, recipes will always be good, and we'll always be developing recipes still too. We just don't think that they should be our primary.
It's not the core content anymore.
Yeah, every Sunday it's a recipe. Well, what if we just like do more of the fun stuff with recipes sprinkled in?
Mm-hmm. We're kind of like, we're sticking to one video a week. We're gonna try and do some recipes on Wednesdays now. Like, we're basically swapping the schedule a little bit. So Sundays will be our
will continue to be our main video, but they're going to be like whatever Wednesdays used to be, where it's just like fun, food-focused videos.
Mm-hmm.
Where we do cookbook reviews and taste tests and challenges and things like that. We have a lot of fun ideas.
Mm-hmm.
Food hauls, all that kind of stuff. We got so many fun ideas. And then Wednesdays, while they're not going to be guaranteed, it's kind of going to be more of like, we'll just put out a recipe. It's not really going to be us talking and hanging out. It's just going to be a recipe, like to the point.
Yeah, all those people who are like, recipe starts at 2:50, 2 minutes 50, that's all you're going to get.
You won. So yeah, it'll just be recipes straight to the point. Won't be guaranteed like every other Wednesday, but we're gonna try.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it'll also just be, I think, significantly easier for us. And like we have very busy lives. We both have full-time jobs. Both do freelance stuff. Like we're very busy people, and making this more streamlined and more on the side of fun is better for our mental health.
Yeah. So, we're just gonna mix things up. And like you said, we're still gonna post consistently on Sundays. It's just gonna be a little different. And I think it's gonna be really fun for us to explore, because also over the last year, we had to get more comfortable with just letting go of everything being perfect in our videos, or just like kind of being whatever. And I think us recording like just cooking together was what opened that up to us. Where it was like, wow, we're really just kind of doing whatever and just cooking.
Yeah.
So I think we bring that, except I am excited to no longer have to edit 2 hours of a Zoom call, or to have somebody lose internet halfway through the Zoom call.
Or to have me forget to press stop recording on my camera for 7 minutes. I honestly think if the last year and a half didn't happen, we probably wouldn't be making, I mean, maybe we would, maybe we wouldn't, but like, the recipe videos took so much longer now because I was filming and doing the recipe, and like there was just so much more work to it, and it just was not fun.
Yeah.
It was just stressful.
I think the work and the reward didn't balance out as much anymore, especially when we were apart. Mm-hmm. So we're like, let's just do something different. Let's just roll with it.
Yeah, so this new content's gonna start like September.
Yes.
So very soon.
In the comments,
Mm-hmm.
definitely tell us what kind of videos you want to see, or if there's ones we've done in the past where you're like, more of that. Tell us. Because we're pretty much open to whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever Sundays.
Yeah. I mean, so we told our patrons first. And John suggested Sunday Fun Day instead of whatever Wednesdays now, so maybe Sunday Fun Day is the new name. Mm-hmm. I forgot about my matcha.
Should we talk about Patreon too?
Oh yeah, we should definitely talk about Patreon.
Yeah.
So if you're a patron, things will change slightly. Mm-hmm. Not too drastic of a change. I want to actively start looking for more ways we can use Patreon, but that will be a slow change, so don't expect that in September. But one of the things we are going to do is just open it up to everybody gets every perk. Like just one level, donate what you want, contribute whatever you want, really doesn't matter. We appreciate literally every amount. It does not matter. And just open it up to everybody, because we feel like right now there's levels that where people don't really get that much, so we just want to make sure it's fair.
So I got like one of the bigger things that will unlock is that like our monthly mukbangs
Yes.
were our top tier. So now everybody gets to watch those delightful
Yeah.
mukbangs.
And early access recipe was tier 2 and 3. So now tier 1 will also get that as well. If you have ideas, if you're a patron and you have ideas of what you might like to go there, let us know. Another thing we're trying to put a little bit more attention on, and this has been a slow change, is our podcast. We have some fun ideas to tie our podcast into our YouTube channel in content, so hopefully that works out, because I'm very excited about some of the ideas we have.
There's actually a lot of exciting stuff coming now that we talk about it like this.
Yeah. We've been like slowly talking to each other about it over the past like few weeks. And like I was like, yeah, it's just like this will just change and this will just change. But when you start listing everything, it's actually a lot.
And even like technically the last Sunday recipe video we filmed a part already, and it was like, wow, that's like the last time we're gonna officially do that kind of format like that, you know?
It felt weird, but it also felt pretty great.
Yeah.
Like I will say, like it felt weird to think about like, oh, I don't really have to plan recipes anymore as much. It was one of those thoughts where it's like, oh, I don't have to plan recipes anymore. What do I do? And then it was also one of those, but I was like, oh, but kind of thank God that there's less pressure on putting out recipes, because there was like, and we did this to ourselves, I think there was weirdly a lot of pressure on the recipes, And, like, that came from none of you. It was literally all us, but we had this weird pressure to, like, it can't be too simple of a recipe, and it can't be this. I think taking the focus off of the recipes will be good for everybody. Mm-hmm. You'll get probably more, like, approachable recipes. Not that ours weren't approachable, but, like, less out there weird. I mean, you'll still get those because that's who we are. But you'll get more just like, oh, this is what I make every day for breakfast, and I'm just going to film it.
Why does it feel like we've just, like, we're quitting our corporate job and we're going just, like,
we're doing our fun
freelance,
job?
We're going independent. We're just going to work for ourselves.
Actually, it kind of does feel that way.
Even though we've been doing this for ourselves the whole time.
It does weirdly feel that way.
Right?
Yeah. I really think the podcast is really coming into its own. If you haven't listened to our podcast yet, it's been the last, I mean, not when this was coming out. I don't know what podcast we'll be doing, what episode it'll be at this point. But, like, what's the week? It's, like, mid-July. Mm-hmm. Mid-July stuff's great.
We'll link some of it. I mean, it's always linked in the description.
Yeah. Like, we had a really fun discussion about lab-grown meat. And I was, like, actually really weirdly proud of that episode because it felt like an actual proper podcast episode.
I was, like, emotional? No.
But it was
good.
It was a lot of fun to actually discuss. So we're hoping to do more of that stuff. We also have so many podcast ideas, too, so.
Yeah. Basically, I just put my sandwich in my mouth, didn't take a bite, and decided, I need to say this more than I need to bite this.
Wow, this is important. This is very important.
Basically, if you like when we just kind of, like, talk and banter like this, our podcast is that, except, as John would say, with structure, with direction.
Yeah, we're working on our mukbangs.
More of a purpose. I think we should stop this video before we start, like, saying all these big ideas that we're gonna do. Because the whole point is we're trying to make it...
We're going on tour.
Oh my god, I want to so badly.
Sorry, this is, like, the first time we're seeing each other really in person. So, like, all of our energy over the last year and a half is coming out.
It's just a lot.
It's channeled. It's coming back to us.
It's a lot for all of us right now.
It really is.
So yeah, anyways, in the comments, tell us what kind of content you want to see. Also, like, shout out to vaccines for making this happen.
Yes. Science.
Get vaccinated. One more thing. Also, thank you for sticking with us through the pandemic, through having to film everything virtually. We know it was a change and it had its moments, but it was a lot of fun, and we're glad that you enjoyed it and we got through it, and we're excited for what's to come. So subscribe if you're not.
Hopefully you'll never have to hear us say Zoom ever again.
You probably still will, but it's okay, because now we know that we can still make that content fun.
Yeah.
We have options.
Options. It's good to
Okay.
have options.
Comment, subscribe, thumbs up, and share it with your friends. But, like, last weekend when we were eating in the parking lot, we were just dancing.
Yeah.
You were doing lunges while we were eating. That's what we'll do.
Yeah, we just need a crew to film it. So yeah, we're going on tour.
No. Someday, for year 6, we'll go on tour.
If we get to 1 million subscribers, once we get to 1 million subscribers, we will go on tour, and we're so close, guys.
We can do it.